So what's up people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhaskar. I hope you all are fine. Today's HTML topic is radio and checkbox. So these are the input types we are going to discuss in this video. So let's get started. If you guys are planning to purchase domain name or web hosting service, I would recommend you domainracer.com. You can visit their website and can check the plans. Plans are really very affordable. They use Lightspeed technology and provide you pure SSD disk space. Also provide you free SSL certificate and 360-degree malware protection. Also provide you 7 plus strong security features like Immunify 360 and Immunify AV plus. Okay, the customer support is awesome and available round the clock 24 into 7. Server locations are UK, India, USA, Germany, France, Singapore, Canada, and many more. Using the free website builder tool, you can build or design your website without having that much of knowledge of website building and website designing. So let's get back into the topic. Here is our HTML's syntax form. You can cut them, we don't need them. Okay, I'm keeping this ind.html just to display thanks for submit. On this page I have written a plain text thanks for submit, so when we will click on submit, that message will be displayed. Okay, so now let's discuss about input radio. What input radio does? Oops. Okay, so let's see the result I've saved. There you go. So you're getting three circular dots, and when you click on them they are getting selected. So these are the radio buttons, or most of you might have taken exams with multiple type questions, so you can use these radio buttons in multiple type questions, and you can use these radio button in web form to give users options to select between given options. Okay, for example, when we ask about users gender in web form, whether the user is male or female or other category, we can use these radio buttons. So how you can do that? I'm labeling all these radio buttons. Okay, first is for male. mm, id male. Okay, keeping the same values in for and id fields. Second is for female. Then third is other category. Done. Let's see the result. Okay, now we are getting three options where user can select any of these options. Like if user is male, user can select male. If user is female, user can select female. If user is from other category, you can select other category. But we want to toggle between the given options, but we only want to select one option. So how would you do that? In order to in order to do that, we simply need to use same name in name field. Okay, you can use any name, but you must keep that in mind that you are going to use same name while implementing your backend coding and front-end coding. So now it will select only one option among these three options. Okay, so how did you do that? Simply entering the same name in name field of input types. All other things will remain same, and you can simply submit the selected options. There you go. Now you can submit the results. thanks for submission, this message is being displayed from another HTML page, which is ind.html, and that page only contains one plain text line, which is thanks for submission, and it is displayed over here. And you can reset the selected options. This is how you can use radio buttons for uh, give user an opportunity to select one option from multiple options. And we have discussed about the example. So now let's discuss about checkbox. So what will happen if you use checkbox same way? Does it change anything? Yes, because in checkbox it doesn't allow to toggle between multiple options. It only allows to select multiple answers. Okay, for example, if you want to know whether user knows some regional languages, you can use these options. Okay, Hindi, Punjabi, all are these regional languages where user can select one answer or multiple answers. So when we want to obtain whether user knows single language or multiple languages, you can always use checkbox in same format. So that's it guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you will practice these texts after watching this video. Let's see you guys in next video. We will discuss about these options. I'll try to discuss these options in only one video. So till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning, keep searching, and keep practicing.